Nor'easter for 2022. This is what it looks like outside. Let me see if I can. This is just the backyard. Snow in the backyard. Trying to get a measurement here. So this is pile up, 16 inches pile up here, but I would say that it's about 12 inches in total. I think this is the right. This here. I think 12 inches. It's safe to say it's 12 inches. Oh, look at it. Look at how the wool. The wind just picked that up. The wind just picked it up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the wind just blow as soon as you coming in. Yeah, just had a wind, a swirl. Yeah. Oh. That's just the backyard. What accumulate here was 7 inches accumulation on top of the roof. About 7 inches accumulated on that small roof, so you could imagine what is out there. This used to be a garden. This is a little garden here. You can't see anything. Garden. Yep. Plenty of powder. Alright.